We joined EPCOR for a 3-day excursion to discover a vital resource to Edmontonians, and that's your drinking water. We started at the true headwaters of the North Saskatchewan River, the Saskatchewan Glacier and the Columbia Icefield. Next stop in our journey, the Siffleur River.
We're hiking along the Siffleur River in the Kootenay Plains recreational area. The beautiful vistas right behind me. You got the clear, nice blue teal colored waters, you got the mountains, a nice forest around us. It's a fantastic location.
Not to mention the exquisite Siffleur waterfall.
Siffleur Falls hike is about 2.5–3 kilometers from the parking lot. It's a very easy hike, and it's definitely a good place to take kids along to as well.
And isn't this spectacular? Well worth the hike in. And while the hike is easily accessible for Edmontonians, it actually means a little more for Edmontonians and EPCOR as they lead the way in headwater monitoring.
The WaterSHED Monitoring Program is a collaboration between EPCOR, Alberta Environment and Parks, the North Saskatchewan Watershed Alliance, and the City of Edmonton. We're installing 20 monitoring stations around the watershed that are monitoring flow and the water quality of various streams and rivers as they enter the North Saskatchewan River.
The North Saskatchewan River directly supplies the source for Edmonton and surrounding communities' drinking water. The Siffleur River is an important location for the WaterSHED Monitoring Program.
Most of the water we see in Edmonton actually comes from mountain streams like the Siffleur River. So this is just one part of our headwaters and the water that we drink here in Edmonton. Only about 2 to 3% of the water that we get in Edmonton comes from the Saskatchewan Glacier. The glacier is important, but most of our water actually comes from melting snow and rainwater in the mountains, such as the Siffleur River.
The WaterSHED Monitoring Program is an important resource for Edmontonians. As the data comes in, more information is gained about the source of our drinking water.
We have a very pristine water coming off the mountains, but we want to get more information. There is a general lack of data on our watershed, and we're seeking to fill those knowledge gaps with programs like the WaterSHED Monitoring Program.
Bianca Millions, CTV Edmonton.